Hi all, so in the video today we're going to be looking at congruence of triangles, and just this one specifically we're going to be looking at the test for congruence, okay? So we'll just get into our question and have a look at it. So just zoom in a bit, sorry. Which congruence test, so SSS, SAS, AAS and RHS, would be used to show that these pairs of triangles are congruent? Okay, so we just need to remember what all of these stand for, hopefully. So firstly, our SSS here, this is side, 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 so this is all three sides are the same. So SSS is all three sides are equal. And just remember, this is from the information that you have, okay? Because if they're congruent, then everything is going to be equal, but it's just for the information that you are given or you know, okay? SAS, we have two pairs of corresponding sides are equal, and the angle inside it is equal. So two sides are equal, and the angle inside is equal. Go back and fix that. We then have AAS, and this here is we have two angles and any sides are equal. So I should say corresponding sides. Ooh, ran out of room there. And lastly, we have our RHS. So this here is that it is our right angle and the hypotenuse and another pair of sides are equal. So we have a right angle hypotenuse and another side. Okay. Sorry about the writing there. It's not my best. So with this, we just need to break it down to which one these represent now. So in our first one, we can see, just remember these lines here, okay? These lines show that these are the same for the corresponding ones. So this bottom one here, this is the same as that one there. Alright, this one with 2, that's the same as this one over here. And then the one with 3 is the same as that one there. So this one actually just looks like a bit of a mirror image of it. So this one is congruent from SSS because we've got three sides that are the same. So this one is SSS. Our second example here, what we are given is we're looking at, we've got one side here that's the same, and then they've given us the angle next to that is the same, and then finally the angle opposite our line that we know is the same. So here we've got two angles and a corresponding side. Okay, we can tell it's a corresponding side because it's directly opposite that X angle there. Okay, so that's how you can tell if they're corresponding or not, seeing which angles they're opposite. Okay, so this one here is AAS. Our next one here, you can see the right angle. Okay, so we've got a right angle here, so this is a good indication there's going to be RHS, but we better double check. We've got the right angle now, we've got the hypotenuse, which is opposite the right angle. So the hypotenuse, that's also a match. And then we have another corresponding side here. Okay, so another corresponding side there. So this one here is RHS. And then finally, we'll go through this. We have an angle here that's the same, and it's in between two corresponding sides that are the same. So we can see that this one and this one is the same, and then that one. So we can see that we have two sides and a corresponding angle, or the angle inside these. So this here is SAS. So really the main trick to actually doing these is remembering your information here, just what all of these represent. So just remember S stands for side, A stands for angle, and then you have R stands for right angle, and H stands for the hypotenuse. So if you remember that, you should be able to remember all the different congruence tests for triangles. So hopefully this helps, and good luck with congruence of triangles.